ganitong napaka halagang proyekto, and thank you very much to JICA for our continuing collaboration and partnership for the upliftment of the living conditions and economic well-being of our farmers and our rural people in our farming and communities. Ang DAR ay isang pamilya. Kasi po, sabi ko, may kasabihan tayo, yung dama ng kalingkingan ay dama ng buong katawan. Ibig sabihin, yung dama ng iyong karaniwang kawani ng DAR ay dapat nararamdaman kahit hanggang sa antas ng kalihim ng Department of Agrara-Reform. Mahalaga na ang paa, Director Nas, masabi ko, ang mahalaga ang paa ng mga opisyales ng Department of Agrara-Reform ay nakasayat, nakayapak, saan man nakayapak yung pinakamaliit, yung karaniwang kawani o manggagawa ng DAR, at kung saan nakayapak yung ating mga magsasaka. Hindi po pwedeng nakalutang ang paa ng tiga-DAR. Kaya para higit nilang maramdaman, malaman ang tunay na pangangailangan ng ating mga magsasaka, ng ating mga mag-uuma. No? Kaya po, muli maraming salamat, at hindi po rito magtatapos yung ating tulungan. We are quite hopeful that our a very healthy cooperation and the partnership will continue. The partnership and cooperation between the DAR and the JICA will continue in for its very historic and novel intent to really uplift the living condition of our farmers and our rural sectors. Maraming salamat po, at mabuhay po tayong lahat.